Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 61 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is marriage. Which is better, arranged marriage or love marriage? So let's start. So, marriage. It is an important part of our life. We as a human being select partner as per our choices. And it's really important part. It is really an important decision because we have to spend life with that person who we have chosen during marriage. So there are two kind of marriage. One is love marriage, another is arranged marriage. So in arranged marriage, children have support of their family while doing marriage. Parents used to search for their child best partner, so they are all responsible for their child marriage. Where while in love marriage, children are themselves responsible for their choices. They select good partner according to their choices, and then they get support by their parents. In both cases there is a support of parents, in arranged marriage also and in love marriage also, but more support is in love arranged marriage. And there are and there is many, always from many years there is a debate that which marriage is best, arranged marriage or love marriage, but there is no single correct answer for that, because both has advantages also as well as disadvantages also. For example, in love marriage, they know their choices well. They have developed their compatibility, they have developed their relationship, and but after marriage, after knowing also, they get divorced because they are not able to because they are not able to take that responsibility towards each other. They are not taking as responsibility as it was needed. And in an arranged marriage, they know how to take responsibility because they have support of their family. Their family used to guide them how to take responsibility, how to how to be in good relationship, so they have full support. And in love marriage, these things lag behind, like they don't have family support, and they are at the beginning they feel that they are compatible with each other, but after some time they feel that no, there is some misunderstanding between them. So these things happen nowadays, and nowadays divorce cases are many. So it's really important to make right choice at right time in marriage. If you have any opinion regarding your marriage, you can share your parents too, and if your parents have any doubt regarding your marriage, they can share to you. So these things have to be done. And so I will say that marriage is an important decision of everyone's life, and there is advantages and disadvantages of both love marriage as well as arranged marriage. In arranged marriage we get full support of family, have uh, we have good share of bonding. In love marriage also we have good compatibility, good bonding. And in arranged marriage we don't get so much time to know that partner, and in love marriage we have got some time to know that partner. But responsibility is same in both cases because we have to spend time with that partner. And we should understand that we should not wait for a perfect partner. In fact, we should have a guts to spend time with him. We should have to guts that we should make perfect time with imperfect partner. So because everybody is not perfect, everybody has some disadvantages. For example, rose has, in rose there is a, in rose there is a thorn, and in lotus it's grow in dirtiness. So everything has some disadvantages, but we can't avoid all thing now. So we should understand that spending life perfectly matters. partner is spending life perfectly with imperfect partner, it also matters. So that's all for today video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.